Homeowners, would you sell your present home if we found you your dream home? Hi, I'm Jesse Warmka, broker of Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, the Jesse Warmka team. You'll be able to receive priority access to all new listings that match your home buying criteria, and this is how it works. Number one, we're experts at finding listed and unlisted homes that meet your buying criteria. Simply tell us what you're looking for, and we'll invest the money and the time to make it happen. Number two, we'll invest our marketing dollars to specifically target market the neighborhoods you're interested in to find you the perfect home. Number three, when you find a homeowner who may consider a sale and not yet on the market, we'll inspect the home to ensure it matches your criteria. And if we feel the property is a perfect match for you, we'll set up a private viewing for you. And if you love it and decide to make an offer, we'll negotiate on your best behalf at absolutely no charge. Once the offer on your home is accepted, we can help you sell your existing home. It's super easy. If you want to get started, just give me a call or text me at 608-358-0917, and let's begin the journey of finding your dream home. As easy as that.